What if I told you that all of these pictures, all of these illustrations were made in under 10 seconds with the power of artificial intelligence? In this video, I'm going to break down how you can access this. It's absolutely stunning, and it's fun too. So in this video, I'm going to break down how you can harness the power of artificial intelligence using Creative Fabrica Spark. Absolutely incredible. It's fast, it's easy, and most of all, it's fun. Let's jump in. All right, I'm on Creative Fabrica, and if you've never heard of Creative Fabrica before, it's an awesome website. I highly recommend that you give it a shot. Check out the freebie section. It's right at the top. There's a freebie section right here. There's also the all access subscription, and I'll put a link to that in the video description below. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link, and that just means that if you purchase something on Creative Fabrica, I would receive a small commission. They sell big bundles on here. They sell fonts. There's all sorts of cool graphics. Now in this video, I'm going to be looking at something completely new. This is called CF Spark, Creative Fabrica Spark. And so what I'm going to do is just simply type something in here. What would I like to create? So I'm going to type in something completely random. Skeleton warrior at night wielding a sword storming a castle. And I'm going to click ignite. And we can see here the robots are working overtime. They're generating this now in real time. It's given us 4 options, and some of them are a little more cartoony and some of them are a little more realistic. Now, I didn't specify how realistic I wanted the drawing to be, so that's on me. I'm going to click this first one here. I'm going to click the publish. We can see now it's publishing, and then it gives me the option to open it up on the actual Creative Fabrica page. So here's Skeleton Warrior at night. So this is pretty cool. It now gives me the option where I can download this design and I can use it in my commercial applications, my personal applications. This is a great asset that I can use and other people can see as well. Now, another really cool thing you can see here with Creative Fabrica Spark is over on the left-hand side. I'm going to go into my personal feed, and now people that I follow, I can see their designs as well, and I can click on them and I can see the keywords that they've used. So here, for example, I'm going to pop this one open. This is pretty cool. This is ultra detailed 95-year-old skinny man, scared, afraid, covered with billowing smoke, blah, blah, blah. It goes on. It's really, really detailed. And so this is what the algorithm has come up with. That's a fantastic looking fantasy drawing. And again, I can download this and I can basically pay credit to this vintage 12x12, which is the creator, and I can use this now in my applications as well. There's also a community feed in addition to the personal feed. So I'm going to click on community feed, and this is pretty much everybody. And you can check out a whole bunch of different designs. When you simply hover over them, you can see the different keywords that people are using, and that can give you an idea and some inspiration on how detailed you can ask the computer to be. So here's a great example of one. This is whimsical detailed fantasy flowers. And we can see this is what was typed in that was used to create this. So you could simply copy this, and then you could modify it if you wanted to make something similar, albeit unique in your own style. And I think it's awesome that we can all connect now as creators, and you can post your own and other people can like and share. And it's a really, really fun way to use your imagination without a ton of technical skill. So if you don't have an account, then when you sign up, you'll get to this page and it says, get this graphic for free, and you can activate a free trial. It's a 1-month trial. I do want to point out, it's basically a $9 monthly subscription. And with the subscription, you can also get these speed credits that allow you to jump to the top of the queue. You can see it over here on the left-hand side. When I go to create, I can get these fast credits in here as well. So currently to create something takes about 30 seconds to a minute, but you could speed this up as well. There's a contest right now. If you create designs between October the 1st and October the 24th, you are entered to win $100,000. And basically how it works is every time you publish a design, at the end of the contest window, the person with the most downloads would win up to $100,000. That's pretty amazing. Plus, I want to point out, it's just really fun too. There's lots of different designs that you can create, and you can check out other people's designs as well. And I just think it's such a great way to spark your creativity, literally, and have a great time doing it without any technical aptitude, which is the best part. It only requires your imagination, and the sky really is the limit. I really hope you found this video helpful. I absolutely love Creative Fabrica. There's all sorts of reasons to get the All Access Pass, and this is a major addition to that, and I can't recommend Creative Fabrica highly enough. Check it out in the video description below, and here's another video on how you can supercharge your print-on-demand skill set. Thanks a lot for watching.